This is Ding Gumbao. He's a 94-year-old fisherman that has rebuilt from scratch his fishing platform here maybe 100 times. He told me that even before Pirates Cove was here, which was 1953, he had a fishing platform here. He's a high-energy guy. He's the most successful fisherman in this area. You see these platforms out here with all these people? First of all, they're very dangerous. Today the water's not bad, it's sedate. But if there's any commotion out there at all those people standing off that platform in the water are in jeopardy. If there's an earthquake somewhere, who knows what could happen. But Ding over here catches more fish than all those guys put together. He is a great man. Adios.